Mark's installing a bracket now for the proportioning valve, for a combination valve. This piece here is the proportioning valve. Mark's trying to line up the hardware they're providing with the kit. There's a bracket down below, and there's some brake lines on the combination valve. It's all supposed to cosmically line up so you can mount the proportioning valve right on the master cylinder assembly. When you go to install it, you don't have to run separate set of lines down. Originally, the combination valve on most of these American cars is mounted down on the frame. This one they're trying to make it easier. So he's just mocking up right now to see where the heck the thing's going to line up with which lines in which holes. Mark's got the combination valve mounted to the master cylinder now. It's the combination valve makes sure you get the right proportion of brake pressure to front and rear brakes. If you have a brake light on your car, it'll go on if there's too much pressure going to one or the other, indicating a brake problem. You'll see there's a couple of different colors of fittings. It's kind of a mix and match. As a general rule, colored fittings are metric, natural colored fittings are domestic sizes. So we have this late model Corvette master cylinder and booster going in the car into a car with domestic fittings. So there's going to be kind of a mix and match there. The reason the Corvette master cylinder is chosen is because the Corvette has a real good volume of the master cylinder, and the size of the booster, the big gold sucker there behind the master cylinder, the diameter of that is small and fits in with a lot of these adaptations that we do.